previous videos, we've shown you how easy it is to capture time on the shop floor using barcodes. In this video, we're going to look at how Shop Floor Insight helps with rework. Studies show that finished products don't pass inspection about 20% of the time. The cost of rework is a considerable expense to any company, and so there's an opportunity to improve profit margins if we can reduce rework. The key to reducing rework is data. More specifically, what is the cause of the rework and exactly how much is the rework costing a company? Using built-in reports and barcodes, Shop Floor Insight helps you easily identify why rework is needed and to create processes to reduce it. Perhaps there was an error on a drawing or a salesperson wrote up the order incorrectly. Your workers will be able to quickly and easily track their rework and their time. If rework is required, workers will log in to Shop Floor Insight. They will scan their barcoded production order, as well as an appropriate rework barcode. As you can see, the line item has changed to Rework Engineering. This indicates that there was an error on the engineering side and rework needed to be done. Users will then lock their workstation and go perform the work. When the rework is complete, workers will log back in and either clock off the job or scan the next production order they need to work on. There you have it. As you can see, Shop Floor Insight makes it easy to capture rework time. For more information, check out our website. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you again.